First question. Which is the largest city of India? Option A. Mumbai. B. Kolkata. C. Delhi. D. Hyderabad. Right answer option A. Mumbai. Second question. Which is the largest state of India? Option A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Maharashtra. D. Tamil Nadu. Right answer option B. Rajasthan. Third question. What is the widest river of India? Option A. Krishna. B. Kaveri. C. Brahmaputra. D. Ganga river. Right answer option C. Brahmaputra river. Fourth question. Which is the tallest minar of India? Option A. Hanging Tower. B. Qutub Minar. C. Char Minar. D. Taj Mahal. Right answer option B. Qutub Minar. Fifth question. Which is the longest dam of India? Option A. Hirakud Dam. B. Bakra Nangal. C. Indira Sagar. D. Nagarjun Sagar. Right answer option A. Hirakud Dam. Sixth question. Where was India's first women's university established? Option A. Bangalore. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. D. Delhi. Right answer option B. Mumbai. Seventh question. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest in the Himalayas? Option A. Kalpana Chawla. B. Bachendri Pal. C. Kiran Bedi. D. Sucheta Krupalani. Right answer is option B. Bachendri Pal. Right question. Who was the first Indian IPS officer of India? Option A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Bachendri Pal. C. P.T. Usha. D. Kiran Bedi. Right answer is option D. Kiran Bedi. Ninth question. Who was the first India woman governor of India? Option A. Pratibha Patil. B. Sucheta Krupalani. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Sushmita Sen. Right answer is option C. Sarojini Naidu. 10th question. Children born on which day bring glory to their parents? Option A. Saturday. B. Wednesday. C. Thursday. D. Sunday. Right answer is option B. Wednesday. 11th question. Who became the first Prime Minister of India? Option A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Bhagat Singh. Right answer is option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. question. Who was the first president of India? Option A. Subhash Chandra Bose. B. Abdul Kalam. C. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Right answer is option D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 13th question. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize? Option A. Amartya Sen. B. Mother Teresa. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Abdul Kalam. Right answer is option C. Rabindranath Tagore. 14th question. Who was the first Indian astronaut? Option A. Kalpana Chawla. B. Rakesh Sharma. C. Sunita Williams. D. Mr. Kuber. Right answer is option B. Rakesh Sharma. 15th question. What is agriculture of Indian economy? Option A. Economic reforms. B. Economic progress. C. Backbone. D. Others. Right answer is option C. Backbone. 16th question. Which is the least populous state of India? Option A. Tamil Nadu. B. Sikkim. C. Bihar. D. Gujarat. Right answer is option B. Sikkim. 17th question. Who is the Oscar Award winner for lifetime achievement? Option A. Satyajit Ray. B. Kiran Bedi. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Mother Teresa. Right answer is option A. Satyajit Ray. 18th question. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? Option A. Indira Gandhi. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Sucheta Kripalani. D. Mother Teresa. Right answer is option C. Sucheta Kripalani. Your 19th question. Who is the first Indian world champion in chess? Option A. Amir Khan. B. Sultan Khan. C. Dhyan Chand. D. Vishwanathan Anand. Right answer is option D. Vishwanathan Anand. 20 question. Which was the first paperless newspaper of India? Option A. The News Today. B. Greenland. C. Robert News. D. Vijay Karnataka. Right answer is option A. The News Today. Your 21 and last question. Who was the first Home Minister of India? Option A. Abdul Kalam. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. D. Bhagat Singh. Guess me correct answer. Comment the box. Thanks for watching. Love you all guys.